and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joining with my daughter Lily because we've just been to IKEA and we've done a little bit of a haul. She said she'd like to sit with me during this video, so if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll show you what we got from IKEA today. So Lily's holding two of these containers. I'll have the names, the prices listed down below. I've forgotten where the receipt is. So these are just organisation containers. I've seen them in lots of different videos and thought I could use them throughout the house.
Mummy,
yes?
maybe for me.
Oh, what are you going to do with them?
They can be my shelves.
Shelves?
For my kitchen.
Oh. So I'm going to see where I can use these around the house, and you might see them in an upcoming video of what I'm using them for. So we've got two of those. The next thing we always get from IKEA as well are their bags. They're snap lock bags. They're really useful, really thick and durable, and we get all the different sizes, and they're really good value for money. So each one you get two different sizes. So in this one,
they got two different sizes. Like you can't even just see them.
No, so when you open it up, it's got one side which is the 2.5 litre and then the 1.2 litre on this side. And they're really good. So we've got one in a few of the different sizes. Another thing that we always get from IKEA are their batteries. I think this is like a 10 pack for like $4. Really cheap, and we get...
Like, there's so many, so you can't even just put them in cars.
Cars? Oh, whoa. So that's what we got there. The next thing I bought was like a 3-pack of glass containers with lids. Obviously you can put them in the microwave, dishwasher, oven. They're all safe, but I'm trying to move away from the plastic glasses. So there's 3 inside of here, the different sizes, and I thought having the glass ones would be perfect. So next thing I bought was some secateurs, because if you didn't already know, I'm getting my green thumb going on, and I thought I'd get them for a few of my plants. And the plant haul is coming. So the next thing I bought were these, do you know the cubed systems that you can get? These are called the Droner, and they're kind of, I'll show you what one is done up, but I've got 2 grey ones.
But
This is what we put our shoes in, as you can see, but this is kind of the box that it looks like and come up
you
to
put
me.
it in her face.
Sorry about that.
And my shoes are in the same box as Mummy's, but tiny ones. I don't even...
You got little feet. Mummy got big feet.
No.
So I've got 2 grey ones because the white ones get really dirty. Oh, Lily's showing you her feet. So you want to talk about this? You tell them.
That's my own plant for my own room.
So Lily got a pink pot. So lift it up. So Lily got a pink pot. And also this little tree, what's it called? Oh, parlour palm. To go inside. And that's going to go where?
In my room.
In your room. And you're going to look after it?
Well, you need to put it that far close to the edge.
Oh, is it going to go in your drawers?
Yeah, but I don't want it to get too far back because I want Emily to reach.
Oh, okay. So, that's Lily's. We actually bought 4 plants today.
Can I hold the other one?
Next one we got, hold on, I have to pull it out a little bit, is this little pot, but we've got a little succulent sedum.
Can I put them?
So we got this little guy, it's part of our family. And we also got another one of the little pots. Another sedum variety. Hold the pot for me. I'm going to show close up. And this little guy. And last but not least in our haul today, we got one of those bigger pots, but we got another one of those parlour palms to go around the house somewhere. So I buy them. Don't know where they're going yet. But
can I choose where they can go?
well, let's just see.
Yay!
I love this one. Look how bushy and beautiful it is. I'm thinking the
It's
kitchen.
the same as mine. They're just a different color.
And I'm thinking the 2 little ones go beside our bed when we can plant them up.
Yeah.
Is that a good idea? So what do we say? Thank you so much for joining us with our IKEA haul today. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye!